black sparkle glam smoky eye in just 3 steps. Let's go. Step 1 is to use a black base. I'm using a black eye pencil. This is from House Labs. It's their Kohl Kajal. Very creamy. You can also use a gel liner. First, I'm going to be using it in my waterline to tight line and then on my lid as well as lower lash line. Using a fluffy brush like this, I'm going to blend out the edges so it diffuses and it's easier to blend it in with the transition shade. You can also use a blending brush if you prefer and keep on blending till it looks really soft and nice. Basically, this is going to serve as your base instead of an eyeshadow base for the black eyeshadow that we'll be using on top of this. And I'm going to repeat that in my lower lash line using a little bit of that Kohl Kajal before I buff it out with a pencil brush. Step 2 is to use a transition shade. I'm going to be using the beautiful Tati Beauty Volume 1 palette. This is completely sold out, but I'm going to link something similar in the description box below, which has similar eyeshadows basically. I'm going to dip into Ritual Matte Eyeshadow and I'm going to blend it out at the crease using a blending brush. This will further help to soften the black base and melt it into my skin tone. You can keep on adding more eyeshadow to increase the intensity and keep on blending till it fades into your skin tone. And I'm going to repeat the same in my lower lash line to soften that black eye pencil base. Step 3, the final step, is to use that black sparkle eyeshadow on this black base. From the palette, I'm going to be using the Memory Sequin eyeshadow. With my finger, I'm going to apply it directly over my lid. Now, the black base that I used on my lid is still tacky, so this sticks beautifully over it. And you can see how stunning that looks. That's pretty much it, my friends. It's that easy. Those were the 3 simple steps to create this beautiful glam look. I'm going to be using a pair of lashes, but before that, I'm going to be using mascara. This is the Level Up Mascara by Colourpop. And for lashes, I'm using the Stunning Lashes in Finesse by Black Label. What I love about the Black Label lashes is they're thick, but at the same time, they fit hooded eyes like mine. They don't cover up the lid space. Although they are thick, you can still see through them and you can see the beautiful eye makeup. And here is the stunning finished eye look. So simple and so quick to do in just 3 simple steps. Because the eyes are so dramatic and I want all the attention to be on the eyes, I decided to pair this with a nude lip combo. I'm going in with the lipstick in Amsterdam. This is from Charlotte Cook Cosmetics. And then I decided to top it off with their beautiful gloss in Georgetown. You can see how sparkly this is. So this will go well with my eyeshadow look. So I'm going to be using it right in the center of my lip for that extra pout. Here is the finished look, power-packed glam and so easy to pull off and so quick. If you plan to recreate, please don't forget to tag me. And if you enjoyed this video, as always, please don't forget to thumbs up. If you're new here, please consider subscribing if you'd like to watch more videos like these. I pretty much post every single day now. And do check out the description box for all the products that I used. I love you guys so much and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye guys.